Here we have two fuel injectors for the Screamin Eagle motorcycle, which is the Harley-Davidson. The one on the left is 3.2 grams per second, and the one on the right is 4.9 grams per second. We sell these all the way up to 9.6 grams per second for the Harley-Davidson Screamin Eagle. Here we are going from the 0 RPMs all the way up to the 8,000 RPMs with these fuel injectors, which are the ones for the Screamin Eagle. As you can tell, both of them have the same type of spray pattern all the way up to 8,000 RPMs. So like I've said in previous videos, what you're going to see, you have to have atomization, and the atomization is what gives you the horsepower and also gives you decent gas mileage. As you can tell right now, as it goes up to the 8,000 RPMs, which is a simulation of what your bike is going to do when you're on the road. Okay, here we have the fuel injectors for the Screamin Eagle. This is a stock one, and the stock one right here is at 3.2 grams per second. Over here we have the high performance one, which this one here is at a 5.7 grams per second. We sell these all the way up to 9.6 grams per second. And like I said in the video, it's all about the atomization for your bike. The better the atomization, the better the mileage, and the better the high performance on them. As you can tell, they're both identical.